And what's up, everybody? I just wanted to let you get an early sneak peek of the BOURSE building, the newly renovated BOURSE. It is opening next weekend, and this is what we have so far. Starting off on the right, you got a place called the Grub House. Nice little breakfast nook. Looks really, really good. Tea bar. We have a tea bar, and right as soon as you walk in off of 5th Street, you're coming in off of 5th Street, that's going to be the main entrance. You got your general food court here, nice sitting area. And the job that they did on this place is phenomenal. Coal-fired pizza. This is going to be called Bricco. And just a really, really good job they did here. Now, I've walked through it once, and it looks like every spot is definitely sold out. So they really put some work into that. I don't actually know what they're doing with the buildings or with the space upstairs. I know that it's office space. I don't think that it's going to be retail. But if you look all the way up, you can see the skylights during the day. It's a little cloudy out now. This is going to just flood with sunlight. I used to come to this building years ago, and it was always a nice, well-lit room. But these steps up here are for the Mexican consulate. We have Lalo. And it looks like actually Filipino food, Filipino egg rolls. And over here is Freebird Chicken. That's under construction. A lot of these places are still under construction. Now, right here off of the food court, you have Bluebird Distilling. And when I get around the other side, I'm going to show you all the taps that they have. There's something called the Bronze Table. And that has, it's Italian food, meatballs and such. Crispy mozzarella, meatball salad, looks really good. And over here, I don't know the name of this shop, but it looks like we have artisan cheeses and meats. And one thing I noticed earlier was this gorgeous slicer. If you're in the food business, you can appreciate the beauty of this machine. Look at that. I mean, it almost looked antique when I walked up to it, but look at the quality of that machine. Maybe it's just a cheese slicer, I don't know. One thing I also noticed is the beauty of these kitchens. I mean, of course, everything is brand spanking new, but if you could take a peek into some of these kitchens, their equipment is unbelievable. Here we have something called Baby Buns. Not sure what that is. It's a globally inspired kitchen. Chat and Chai, I'm guessing teas and such. And over here we have Barry's Buns. Look at some of these buns. Cinnamon buns, crumb cakes, sticky bun bread pudding. Everything looks just unbelievable. And on the back end, on the 6th Street side, we have Marino Brothers cheesesteaks. Marino? I'm sure it's Marino. Of course, you gotta have a cheesesteak place in here, but look at this grill. Look at that 6-foot chrome grill. Oh, that thing is gorgeous. And here's a view looking back. This architecture is just absolutely stunning. The work that they did, beautiful, beautiful. And here's like a little gift shop. I'm sure they're going to have flowers and stuff, antiques and collectibles. Now, this is the 6th Street side coming in. You can see there's an entrance on both. So you have 5th Street and you have 6th Street there. And here's some Korean taco grill. That looks beautiful. Look at that. Get your juices right there. Unbelievable. And how about this? Mighty Melt. Fancy grilled cheese. Nice little place to sit and eat. That is going to be unbelievable. So far, I haven't seen a place that I do not want to try. I mean, everything looks great. I want to try them all. Live a little. Okay. Belgian artisan chocolates, Chocodiem. Haha, that looks great too. Everything. Here we go. Pinch. What is this? This is going to be gourmet Chinese dumplings. Oh yeah, looking good. Prescription chicken. I absolutely love that name. That is the greatest. Oh, chicken soup. Wow. Oh my God. Classic chicken soup. What a great concept. Oh yeah, I will be definitely here this winter. And what else do we have? Rustica. Looks like another chicken place. Look at this equipment, how beautiful that is. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Everything is so nice. And I'll tell you what, I've been glancing at the prices and everything looks very, very reasonable. And this was the other side of taps that I was talking to you about. You can see all the taps that they have. I mean, I didn't count them, but it's a lot. 30. Oh, okay, 36 taps. All right, and that looks. Thank you. That looks really good. I can tell that's going to be a popular spot. And I guess it's going to wrap around here. Beautiful bar. And another spot. There's your restrooms. And there is Me and You. Oh, I love that name. Me and You Noodle Bar. All right. There's your restrooms. Once again, that's 5th Street and that's 6th. We're right off of Market Street. Unbelievable. Look at this place. Rebel Taco. Oh, wow. Of course, we can't see behind, but you can tell that's going to be something nice. Rebel Taco. This is just really unbelievable. I'll tell you what, I can't wait to come here. Now, of course, it's going to cater to the lunch crowd. I'm hoping they're going to be open for dinner. That's what I'm thinking. Hey, I thought this place was neat. It is called Kamoon. It's an Egyptian cuisine, but look at the ordering system. It looks like you just walk up here and you'll touch your order. Maybe you could even pay for it right there and just pick it up over there. I mean, I don't imagine that's for the servers. I would think that that's for the public, but that's a really, really neat system. I like that a lot. And of course, ice cream, Scoop DeVille. Wow, I am super impressed with this place. And I'll tell you what, I think that it's going to be a destination. I think that people are going to come here. And of course you have I didn't show you this on the way in, you have your coffee and teas and everything like that. And that was the way that we started. But I think that it's going to be definitely more than a destination. I don't think it's just going to be a lunchtime thing. I think that people are going to come here during the day and evening to to grab something to eat, because some of these places are really, really nice. Of course, it's not a sit-down dinner that you'll have, but I mean, grab something on the way home from work. Of course, we're in the heart of the historic district, right outside of the Liberty Bell. We have the Constitution Center over there. We're right at 5th and Market right here. There's the Jewish Museum right here, United States Mint. So yeah, that's the BOURSE building. And it is officially opening November 15th and 16th. The BOURSE Food Hall. Classic building, restored. Loving it. Can't wait to come check it out. Hope to see you.